Tesla Cybertruck is an electric pickup truck that we have all been waiting for to be released. For now, the release seems far away, but what we do have is new Cybertruck updates and prototypes that we will discuss in this video. But first, welcome to Tesla Unity, where we talk about the future of Tesla, Tesla stock, and Elon Musk's projects. If you're new here, it will be greatly appreciated if you liked and subscribed to our channel. It's free and you can always change your mind. Tesla seems somewhat behind its initially announced schedule with the Cybertruck, after missing the first deadline for deliveries and then another. The automaker recently removed the Cybertruck specs and price from its official, while not that long ago, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that if they built it now, each truck would cost $1 million. But recently a prototype was spotted sporting many visible modifications. Firstly, it had actual side rear view mirrors, it had staggered wheels, windscreen wipers, new daytime running lights, rear wheel steering and according to some, slightly different proportions as well, and we're sure we would have seen more if the video wasn't so zoomed in and low resolution. Just before the video featuring the prototype mentioned above, another, different prototype was spotted, although this one looked more like the very first Cybertruck shown. The big news about it was it didn't appear to have physical door handles, something Elon Musk previously stated that he wanted for the truck. Now during Tesla's recent Q3 earnings call for 2021, among the many bits of information shared, Lars Moravi, the company's vice president of vehicle engineering, confirmed they did indeed have more than one prototype up and running. He called them alpha prototypes, hinting at the fact that they are still a long way from the finished production truck. Another point he mentioned was that they are building these prototypes to test features, as well as improve and mature the design, which as we've previously heard, will most likely feature some important differences compared to the first Cybertruck shown. Morve did say they are still on track for a 2022 launch, and he mentioned some of the new features and improvements that had recently been made to the Cybertruck. And while those point out a few key additions, like rear steering, there are also a number of smaller or less visible improvements, though the product is largely true to the initial vision. We'll continue to work through the product in the beta stages that we're in now and look to launch that by next year. Tesla as a company still states Cybertruck is coming in 2022, but it is also officially stating that the truck will actually come after they get the Model Y production going at the new Austin manufacturing location. We're pretty sure Tesla doesn't exactly know when it will be able to launch the Cybertruck or what its specs will, which is why it made the changes on its site and also moved the launch date further into the future. While fans of the Cybertruck often praise the futuristic pickup for its sleek, streamlined, and minimalistic design aesthetic, it now turns out that the car will have protruding side mirrors after all, as confirmed by Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The slight change in design was first noticed by enthusiasts after a rad video was uploaded to YouTube showing a Cybertruck test drive in California. While the quality of the video itself is pretty low, the new side mirrors are still easily recognizable in the footage. As expected, some who watched the video weren't happy about the new additions and took to Twitter to express their dismay. Recognizing this, Musk also went on the social media platform to explain that the side mirrors were installed because they're required by law, but he realizes that many would prefer to do without them, and so they've been designed to be easy to remove by owners. Of course, US safety regulators do require side mirrors when you're driving on the road, so it's best to take Musk's suggestion with a grain of salt. On top of side mirrors, other automotive enthusiasts noticed the relatively small turning radius of the Cybertruck in the video. While Tesla hasn't officially announced anything, some suspect that the car in question could carry a rear-wheel drive setup. Given that the final production model will have four-wheel steering, a rear-wheel drive system might not be that far of a stretch. Tesla Cybertruck launch window. Tesla won't be starting production on the Cybertruck until sometime next year, and volume production won't begin until sometime in 2023. Unfortunately, this delay is due to supply chain issues affecting Tesla and the rest of the automotive industry. Tesla originally said that Cybertruck production would begin in late 2021 with the tri- and dual-motor variants coming first. A cheaper rear-wheel drive model was also supposed to be available in late 2022, but now likely won't arrive until late 2023. There had been some speculation that the Tesla Cybertruck would be pushed back to 2022. Not only did Tesla dodge questions about when production would start during its Q2 earnings call, there was no sign of the Texas Gigafactory gearing up to start work on the Cybertruck anytime soon. Sadly, we just don't know when the Cybertruck will finally arrive, and what the delays mean for the production schedule of the dual and single motor models. Tesla Cybertruck price. According to Tesla, the price for the Cybertruck will start at $39,900 for the single motor rear-wheel drive model. The dual-motor all-wheel model will cost $49,900 and the three-motor all-wheel drive car will cost $69,900. All models can be reserved now for a $100 refundable deposit. Interestingly, the single-motor Cybertruck is now the cheapest EV Tesla has to offer, thanks to the Model 3's recent price increase. However, the new delays mean you likely won't get one for another 2 years. While basic autopilot is standard on all Tesla vehicles, Cybertruck included, the full self-driving option will cost an additional $10,000. That's if you order right now anyway, and the Cybertruck order page points out anyone who orders later may be subject to future price increases. Considering full self-driving has risen by $4,000 since July 2019, it's only a matter of time before it happens again. The full self-driving option unlocks a number of additional autonomous features, including auto parking, a summon feature, and highway driving mode which can navigate from on-ramp to off-ramp completely by itself. The Cybertruck is supposed to be heading to the UK, but questions remain over its arrival there. You can certainly order one already, but stricter rules about pedestrian safety might cause some problems. Tesla's Cybertruck design. The one thing you can't accuse the Cybertruck of is a lack of individuality. Elon Musk himself even tweeted that this was part of the truck's appeal, or at least that's why he loves it so much. Musk claimed that other incoming electric cars look like copies of each other, while the Cybertruck looks like it was made by aliens from the future. There's a bit of hyperbole there, since the Cybertruck has a very 90s-era vision of the future look about it. While Musk admits that the weird design could be the Cybertruck's undoing, the fact that it is so unique is why he doesn't care if that happens. Not that the truck is likely to be any sort of commercial flop. While everything we've seen from Tesla regarding the Cybertruck has skipped the side mirrors, a video recently surfaced showing the car will have them, which is hardly a surprise, considering they're a legal requirement in the United States and most other countries. However, Elon Musk also claims that the mirrors are designed to be easy to remove by owners, which is a little bit pointless, since the law says drivers have to drive with side mirrors, while only a few states mandate two. The law in the US says that drivers can only have one side mirror if there's a second mirror, like a rear-view mirror, complementing it. But it's not just the design. The Cybertruck's approach to materials is a little different than most cars or trucks on the road. It uses what Tesla described as ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel. This is formed into an exoskeleton, which the company says is just about the hardest thing it could find. However, Elon Musk was involved in a Twitter exchange around the materials being used. In response to an article on SpaceX's Starship, Musk responded, saying, "We're rapidly changing alloy constituents in forming methods, so traditional names like 304L will become more of an approximation." He was then asked if that included the Cybertruck, to which he replied simply yes. Musk also said that the final Cybertruck would be around 3% smaller than the prototype shown at the launch event. Presumably the company will also have done some work on its smash-resistant glass, which was famously smashed by a large ball bearing during the event. Have you ordered the Cybertruck? Let me know down below. If you want to continue to learn about Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk, we have got 2 more videos waiting on the screen for you to check out. Don't forget to give this video a like, and subscribe for more videos about Tesla. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.